Your Zendesk Help Center is public by default. That means every article you publish is visible to anyone. But what if you have internal IT policies, premium support guides, or product-specific docs that only certain users should ever see? User segments fix that. User segments are smart filters that control article access based on who the viewer is. Instead of setting permissions article by article, you define a segment once using tags, organization membership, or agent groups, then apply it to as many articles as you need. Before you set up segments, check your plan. Custom user segments require Guide Professional or Enterprise. Suite Team only gives you everyone or signed-in users, with no custom filtering. You also need knowledge admin permissions and user data like tags or organizations already configured in your account. To create your first segment, go to Knowledge Admin in the left sidebar and click User Permissions. This opens the User Segments page where all your existing segments live. Click Add New, then choose the base user type, signed-in users for customers with accounts, or staff for agents and admins. Now define who belongs in this segment, filter by tags, organizations, groups, or add individual users directly. You can combine filters and set whether users must match all tags or any one of them. The right panel shows matching users in real time, so review that list before clicking Create Segment. With your segment created, navigate to the article you want to restrict. Open it in the article editor from the Help Center front end, or from your article list inside Knowledge Admin. Then open the article settings panel in the sidebar and click the placement card to reveal the viewing options. Under Viewing Permissions, switch from Visible to Everyone to Only Visible to selected user segments. Select the segments you created earlier. You can apply up to 10 segments per article on enterprise plans. Click Update Settings and Publish. Restrictions take effect immediately. If you need to restrict access to your entire Help Center, not just individual articles, go to Knowledge Admin Settings and check Require Sign-in under Security. You can also limit access to a specific user segment, so only users in that segment can see anything at all. Zendesk gives you 3 distinct levels of control. Article-level restrictions hide specific content while keeping your Help Center public and indexable by search engines. Help Center restrictions block all anonymous visitors, and segment-level restrictions on the Help Center itself limit access to a defined group only. User segments shine in 5 practical scenarios: locking internal IT documentation to employees, giving VIP customers access to exclusive troubleshooting guides, showing product docs only to owners of that product, serving region-specific compliance content, and tiering documentation based on service-level agreements. A few things to get right before you scale. Use descriptive segment names so your team always knows what each one covers. Test with dedicated accounts for each segment. Keep a spreadsheet of segment names, their purpose, and which articles use them. And remember, segments use OR logic, so a user in 2 segments can access content from both. Eesel AI connects directly to Zendesk and learns from your full article library, including the restricted ones. Your AI agent can then resolve support tickets using that knowledge, while your internal team gets instant answers from restricted docs via AI chat. One-click setup, no API configuration required. If you want your restricted knowledge base to actually work for your team, try eesel AI. It plugs into Zendesk in one click and starts using every article you have. Start free at eesel.ai.